Alright, we basically have the same setup now, but in part 1 we only had 200 grams hanging off the end of it. If you look at part 2, I've got the 500 gram weight hanging off of it. So this is going to be a heavier mass, more tension in the string based upon that heavier weight. And so we want to take a look at certain harmonics here. Right now I have it set to 8.1. So if you take a look here, 8.1 hertz, there's our first harmonic. Again, this is 170 centimeters or 1.7 meters, so our wavelength here would be 3.4 meters. We're gonna do this, double the frequency. So if we do 8.1 times 2, let's go up to 16.2. Let's see what we end up getting. If you take a look here, 16.2 hertz. How many loops do we have? We have 2 loops, and they span the length of the string here. And so that means that the wavelength of the wave would be the full 1.7 meters. If we want to go up again, let's add another 8.1 to it, and we're going to go to 24.3 and see what it ends up looking like. Well, that looks pretty good to me. How many loops do we have? 3 loops. Alright, now this is 2/3 the length of the string here. So essentially what we're going to get is from here to right about there is going to be our length of 2 loops. So we're at the 1 meter mark here, and we'll do the same thing. Let's slide the meter stick over so that we can get an accurate measurement of where the length of our 2 loops is, or are. And what I'm getting is about 112 centimeters, so 1.12 meters here. I will end up putting that back. We want to go higher, so we'll go another 8.1 hertz higher. We're going to change this to 32.4. There's our frequency. How many loops do we have?
4.
Now you may notice that this is approximately half the length of the string from here to here. So we're going to measure from here all the way to there. Right now it's looking like 86 centimeters or 0.86 meters. We want to go up another 8.1. 40.5. 40.5 hertz. How many loops do we have? 5 loops. So if I measure the end of the second loop here, looks to me at about 68 centimeters or 0.68 meters. We're going to go up one more, 48.6. 48.6. How many loops do we have? 6 loops. About 57 centimeters, so 0.57. 0.57 meters. Let's go up to 56.7 hertz. There it is. 56.7. How many loops do we have?
7.
7 loops. Go right about there, looks to me. 0.48 meters. Got 2 more measurements to go. 64.8 hertz. 64.8 hertz. How many loops do we have?
8.
I'm fooling you. About 42 centimeters right there, 0.42 meters. We'll go to 9th harmonic. $72.9 hertz on our sine wave generator here. How many loops do we have?
9.
9. And this is really hard to see on the camera. I'm staring at it. Kind of looks like garbage to me on the camera. But if you take our word for it, we're going to go from here. Our first node's there. Our second node's right here. Looks to me about 0.38 meters. So you got 9 data points there.